Time to push it. It takes some time for hate. Never take a second of bullshit. Make them come at you straight. Somebody will catch you running, coming from a vegetable fate. Everybody has a purpose, something that can deviate. Feed the adrenaline. Keep coming back again. Changing my invisible face. I can feel you hold me under. Nobody can feel the flame. Coming just a little closer. Let me feel the breath on me. I'll tie you up for the reason. You're someone I will always need. Feed me adrenaline. Keep coming back again. Till the end, I'm turning venomous. Feed me adrenaline.
So then guys, as you can see, I have finished the Dassault Rafale M. It did take a while. There were a few mistakes made, which caused me to have to remove one of the parts. And not all the parts are fitted. I skipped the little tiny parts. But there we are now, the Dassault Rafale M. The base of the aircraft is finished. And did take quite a while, but however, this didn't go fully without mistakes, because I had to remove the cockpit seat, because as you can see, the cockpit glass wouldn't sit down properly into it. Either I had to, but looking at the instructions, when the cockpit glass wouldn't sit into the seat properly, there was one instruction there that caught my eye. We'll take a look now. It's at instruction 4. I think I had to put the glass on first before putting the seat on over it. But other than that though, the aircraft itself is almost perfect, despite that one mistake. But next stage now will be painting the aircraft, and then the aircraft will be hung on the wall. So stay tuned for part 3. For part 3, where I'll be doing a time-lapse video on me painting the aircraft, and we'll get the aircraft fully finished by then. But until then, goodbye.